Alright. Alright. Yes, sir. Okay. Go. Yes, sir. Alright. Let's go. Alright, y'all. Hey, we here. We here. Finally. Just got it in from Xoticpc. Ready to get this cracking, man. Alright. So, for starters, I just want to start off by saying I know absolutely nothing about this shit. Okay, I know absolutely nothing about this shit, man. But I'm a risk taker, man. I am a sole risk taker. If anybody know me, you know I take risks and I love this shit, okay? I love this shit. All right, so I didn't know what to get. Didn't know what to buy. Wasn't sure what was what. I talked to a lot of people. I definitely still don't know if I did good or not. But we're gonna crack down some of the shit that I bought and just kind of see if it was worth the buy. The first thing I got from Xoticpc was a tactical mouse. Okay, it's a tactical mouse. Let me see, let me rearrange. Lights up in here. Okay, so as you can see, got a tactical mouse. All right, so this right here is probably what I'm assuming is all the extras, clearly. Extra shit that I clearly know absolutely nothing about. But we'll get into all that, and then I got some help. I got somebody that's gonna come through and, you know, help me set all this shit up, man. So, and it gave me, what's this? Okay, Xoticpc. You know what I'm saying? So, gave me a shirt. All right, cool. Here we go. All right, I just shot the shit out myself. Okay. All right. Here's here. As you can see, it came in pretty packaged. Packaged really well, really secure. Bubble wrap and everything. This is it, guys. This is the height. Okay. If you see that height, so this is what I decided to get. Okay. From my understanding, just kind of run down some of the shit. You guys just tell me what you think, or if I made a decent decision. But it is Intel Core i7. The graphics card is NVIDIA RTX 4060, 8GB. The motherboard is an Asus Prime Z790. The memory is 32GB. The operating system drive is 2 terabytes, so that's what it is. Operating system is Windows 11. Cooling is Decool AG400. fans, Cooler Master Fan, MF121 edition. So that's some of the stuff that's on there. If y'all know anything of what I'm talking about, so y'all go ahead and go on there and do your own little research. Tempered glass, handled with care. Okay. So I guess there's a legit like a trick to getting all this shit off, but we're gonna get through it because what we don't want to do is fuck anything up. That's for damn sure. So this.
Man, a brief break while I figure out how this shit works and how to get this shit off and everything else. And then from there, I'll be right back.
So, as you can see, I clearly had to make a little run. To show what I was doing. Just kind of just trying shit. Just trying shit. But I did grab this, and this desk that you see behind me won't be the desk that's gonna be here permanently. This is just the desk that's here right now. Of course, once I get a bigger desk, I'll buy a bigger screen. Definitely has something to do with it. All right. Okay. All right. So now, let's get all this shit set up. So, first, get my base, of course. Sure, there'll be some more shit coming in thin. And here we go. With this somewhat small monitor. It's not really big, but it'll do. Slightly curved, I guess. So I'm not, really fond of being stupid, so I think I can figure out how that was supposed to go. That was something. Oh, I like that. Get back to this baby right here that, as you can see, I still know absolutely nothing about. Okay. So, what we will do together for the first time is cut this bitch on. Okay. Just gonna cut this bitch on. I just want to make sure that this outfit actually works. So I don't know what to expect when I plug it in. But go and then okay. Okay. Well, I see some lights on. Basic shit. So, what I will do, getting started, just to see, hold on. What did I do with it? And pretty sure this is what I needed for this one. I'm pretty sure I knew they were gonna give me this. So this is just to get it going, so I can just see what looks like what's what, kind of go from there. Not sure on everything else, and I get more adjusted once I get everything set up. 9 times out of 10, I'm probably gonna really start to crack it down once I get the whole little setup that I want. But as you know, people, this is just a sample run. I'm kind of like in a process of switching in between spots. So determining if I should leave this at this spot or take it to another spot. Okay. So that's gonna be for the okay. Like I said, y'all be just giving this a try. I just want to see if it's working. Once I come back with the next video, everything will be set up. Everything had a whole little, gotta get some signs, all that shit. Get it to a whole little groove. Wait, shit, fucking shit up, Joe. And I know this shit different. I know it's different playing with the keypad versus playing with like a controller. So once I figure this keypad shit out, y'all get the fuck up. And RP ain't ready for it like me. Trust me. Trust me. Alright, so. So, screen's plugged in. Let's see what we can do here. Okay. 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 So we gonna laugh about this. Why did you motherfuckers tell me it was a button on the front? See, I was looking for a button on the back. Button on the damn front the whole time. See, now we got a little bit more to it. And I don't know if these fans are supposed to be loud or not, but these shit's quiet as hell. Like, you damn near don't even know they running. Like, you wouldn't know they running. Quick question for anybody that can answer this for me. Should I leave it on the floor or should I put it? Okay. Now we getting somewhere. Once I get everything set up, keypad and mouse and all this good shit going, we'll come back. We'll have it going. We're gonna make a couple episodes. First episode will just be pretty much just this right here. Just the whole substance of this what we got, nigga. So, all right, so this shit is here. Next episode, it'll be more so like the setup and then setting up, actually running the games and everything else. I also probably end up adding on another screen. I don't know what the fuck I'm buying another screen for, but I know I see other niggas with other screens, so I want one. So that's what we doing here. What else? What else is there that I need to let niggas know? Oh, also, this glass shit right here, getting this shit off is actually quite confusing. Yeah, but don't overstress it. Now, my only question is, should I hit that fucking button before I cut it off? Or should I just cut it off? Or should I not cut it off? Nah, cause this shit overheat, gotta cut it off. But should I hit the button before I cut it off and then cut it off? I'm pretty sure somebody let me know this shit, man. But this is me, my first PC. As you guys will be able to see, we're gonna do a whole lot with this shit. We're gonna get active, you know, and we're gonna get it going at some point in time, man. But hopefully within the next 24 hours, I have the whole setup and everything else. And then I get some shit going and then get that edited and get that posted. But appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe, man. Fuck with your boy, man. Oh, and start subscribing to some of my other channels because I'm gonna do everything. Gaming. I'm gonna give niggas advice on credit. And I ain't on no Google shit. I'm really trying to do what the fuck they trying to make people go to class for. I just don't feel like the class shit is necessarily needed. Granted, I understand for somebody that's making millions of dollars, it's a lot easier to cut off the bullshit with these courses. But overall, I just want to kind of spread what I do know and kind of the blessings I've been able to come across because of that. Also, I gotta do like a little streaming channel, just like a vlog streaming channel, because I travel a lot. I go to a lot of places. I'm always around, and I kind of want people to see what that should be like when I'm out there, because I'm an interesting ass nigga. And that's it. That's about it. Y'all just need to know that I'm interested as hell. So stick around for the party, man. We gonna get lit. But that's it, dog. And yeah, we out.